All right, language explorers. So let's look at this Friday's Friday idiom. So cutting edge, latest technology, the latest something that is very new, like the latest technology. It is the cutting edge computer. Yeah, all these ideas are cutting edge. Yeah, so new, so modern. So modern, yes. How cool is that? Yeah, very good. We have a lot of cutting edge ideas, yes. I have some unique and cutting edge ideas for videos and lessons, yeah. But it will take a while to create them all and publish, but a lot of cutting edge ideas. Cutting edge ideas, yeah. How cool is that? Yes, very good. So those are cutting edge. Most people don't buy them though. Yeah, it is so cutting edge that people don't know how to use it in their business or life. Yeah, it's so cutting edge. Yeah, they don't know how to use it. It's like, what is it for? What does it do? What's the problem? Yeah, we don't know. Okay, all right. There are a lot of cutting edge developments in technology, and you have to think of ways to use it in order to stay competitive. How cool is that? Yeah, how cool is that? Soon the latest cutting edge devices will be here, and we can sort it out then. When the cutting edge technology or technology devices tools arrive, we can then start using them. When they arrive, we can use them. We can begin using them in the business. Yeah, the cutting edge tools will change everything. Yeah, like saves time, makes more productive. We can do more in more time. It saves time. The same task will take less time, and because of that we can do more things, and because of that we can serve more customers. So the more cutting edge tech I use, the more I can teach, and the more the more innovative I can be. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, technology, ideas, tools, equipment, concepts, thoughts, philosophies, theories, cutting edge equipment, tools, software. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you use cutting edge in a sentence? Write it in the comments below, and like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian and Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, on Udemy, YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.